If someone asked you to knock it back, would you know what to do, or would you be completely lost? British English is full of weird, wonderful, and sometimes confusing slang. And today, I'm testing how much of it you actually know. I've got 12 common phrases used in everyday conversation. Keep a tally of your score and let's see if you're a British slang expert or if you need a bit more practice. Let's get straight into it. Number 1, ace. If I say, that film was ace, what do I mean? A, it was very good. B, it was incredibly boring. Or C, it was confusing. The correct answer is A, it was very good. Ace is a classic piece of slang used to describe something that is brilliant or top tier. You can use it as an adjective, for example, that's an ace idea, or on its own as an exclamation when something good happens. For example, we won the match, ace. Number 2, leave it out. If someone says to you, leave it out, what are they telling you to do? A, ignore someone. B, stop doing or saying something. Or C, calm down and relax. The correct answer is B, stop doing or saying something. This is a very common, casual way to tell someone to drop it, cut it out, or stop teasing you. If a friend is making fun of your new haircut, you might laugh and say, "All right, mate, leave it out." This one can be slightly rude, so make sure you use it with close friends. Number 3, knock it back. If I say, he knocked it back, what am I talking about? A, he rejected an offer. B, he drank something quickly. Or C, he pushed something over. The correct answer is B, he drank something quickly. To knock it back means to swallow a drink rapidly, often an alcoholic one or a quick shot of coffee. For example, he knocked back his pint and went to catch the bus. Number 4, over the top. If someone describes a party as over the top, what do they mean? A, it was a huge success. B, it was excessive or exaggerated. Or C, it was boring and quiet. The correct answer is B, it was excessive or exaggerated. Often shortened to OTT in the UK, this phrase is used when someone is being overly dramatic or when something is just too extravagant. For example, her massive hat was a bit over the top for a casual lunch. Number 5, bodge up. If I say, I bodged up that DIY project, what do I mean? A, I did an amazing job. B, I made a mess of it. Or C, I paid a professional to do it. The correct answer is B, I made a mess of it. A bodge or bodged job is something repaired or put together poorly, often using whatever tools are lying around. It might hold together for a little while, but it certainly isn't pretty. You might hear, "He bodged the fence back together with some old rope." Number 6, knees up. If someone invites you to a knees up, what are you going to? A lively party or celebration. B, a yoga or fitness class. Or C, a serious business meeting. The correct answer is A, a lively party or celebration. This is a wonderful, old-fashioned British slang term for a party, usually involving drinking, dancing, and having a great time. The image comes from people dancing so enthusiastically that their knees are up in the air. You might hear, "We're having a bit of a knees up for Grandad's birthday." Number 7, get one's head around. If I say, "He can't get his head around the new software," what do I mean? A, he is unable to access it. B, he dislikes it immensely. Or C, he is struggling to understand it. The correct answer is C. He is struggling to understand it. To get your head around something means to mentally process or understand a complex idea, situation, or fact. You might say, "I still can't get my head around how fast this year is going." Number 8, vom. If someone says, "That smell makes me want to vom," what are they saying? A, it makes them feel hungry. B, it makes them want to be sick. Or C, it makes them feel sleepy. The correct answer is B, it makes them want to be sick. Vom is just a very casual, shortened slang word for vomit, which means to throw up. It is not the most polite word in the world, but you will hear it used a lot by younger people or in informal chats when describing feeling sick or seeing something disgusting. Number 9, bang on about. If I say, "She was banging on about it," what do I mean? A, she was talking about it repeatedly. B, she was complaining about it. Or C, she was sad about it. The correct answer is A, she was talking about it repeatedly. To bang on about something means to talk about a topic incessantly, often to the point where the people listening are getting a bit bored of hearing about it. For example, he's always banging on about his new car. Number 10, Umpteenth. If I say, "For the umpteenth time," what does that mean? A, a very large number of times. B, the third time. Or C, the very first time. The correct answer is A, a very large number of times. Umpteenth is used when you want to emphasize that something has happened over and over again, and you are getting a bit tired of it. It's a made-up number that basically means way too many times to count. Number 11, wonky. If I say, this table is wonky, what do I mean? A, it is crooked or unsteady. B, it is antique and expensive. Or C, it is very heavy and solid. The correct answer is A, it is crooked or unsteady. Wonky describes something that is slightly crooked, unstable, or not quite working as it should. It can be used for physical objects like a wobbly table leg or a picture hanging at an angle. And it can also describe how you feel when you're a bit unwell. For example, I felt a bit wonky since breakfast. Number 12, palaver. If I say, that was a palaver, what do I mean? A, it involved a long formal discussion. B, it was surprisingly quick and easy. Or C, it was a huge, complicated hassle. The correct answer is C. It was a huge, complicated hassle. Palaver is a brilliant British word for a big fuss, a drama, or an unnecessarily complicated situation. It's usually used when something that should have been simple has turned into a real ordeal. For example, returning that parcel was such a palaver. Or, what a palaver it was getting the kids ready for school this morning. So, how did you do? Drop your score in the comments below and let me know which of these phrases was brand new to you and which one you'll actually start using. My honest advice is to pick 2 or 3 of these and try to use them in conversation this week, because that is the quickest way to lock them in for good. Remember, if you're looking to level up your English and really get confident, I recommend you check out my Beyond the Basics of English course. The link is in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.